Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we are diving into the future of home design. If you're staring at an open plan space and wondering how to make it feel both cozy and functional, you're in the right place. We're breaking down the living room dining room combo decorating ideas for 2026. This year is all about designing off algorithm, moving away from those cookie-cutter Instagram interiors and embracing spaces that feel curated, warm, and uniquely yours. Let's jump into the best layout ideas you need to try right now. First up, let's talk color. In 2026, we are saying goodbye to stark whites and millennial gray. Instead, we're seeing a rise in honeyed neutrals like butterscotch and caramel. But the real showstopper? Color capping. This is a technique where you paint the lower portion of the wall one shade and carry a deeper, tonal gradient all the way to the ceiling, our sixth wall. Pair these earthy reds and deep teals with natural materials like stone and light-toned woods. It creates an immersive, cocoon-like feeling that connects your dining and living areas seamlessly. The biggest challenge with a combo room is making it feel like two distinct spaces without building walls. In 2026, the back-to-back arrangement is king. By placing your sofa with its back to the dining table, you create a soft boundary that maintains that airy, open-plan flow. Another pro tip for 2026? Zoning with rugs and lighting. Use a large, textured rug to anchor the living area, and a statement, sculptural chandelier to center the dining table. Think of your lighting as the jewelry of the room. It shouldn't just be functional. It should be a focal point that tells you exactly where the party is happening. When it comes to furniture, 2026 is the year of the curve. We're seeing croissant sofas and rounded dining tables everywhere. These organic shapes aren't just beautiful, they actually improve traffic flow and make the space feel more social. And because our homes are working harder than ever, multifunctional pieces are a must. Look for extendable dining tables that can double as a workspace, or modular sofas that can be rearranged for movie night. The goal is a layout that supports real life, from Zoom calls to dinner parties. So, whether you're leaning into those moody plum tones or keeping it fresh with botanical greens, remember that 2026 is all about character and comfort. Don't be afraid to mix vintage finds with modern pieces to create a space that feels like home. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more interior design trends. Comment below and tell me, which of these layout ideas are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.